Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a desirable two-story, four-bedroom house that includes helpers quarters and two full kitchens. It is located in the residential community of Coral Gardens, St. James. There are three bedrooms and three bathrooms on the upper floor and a one-bedroom, one-bathroom helpers quarters on the lower level. The property is fully walled, grilled, and has a well-maintained garden area. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 340,000 or Jamaican $52.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.